Stendies, attention. Get ready for prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the prayer. Come and take your position. Get ready for pledge. Take position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brother and sister.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of
proud of
its rich
its rich
and very heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders.
and all elders,
I treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
India will be
and prosperity,
and prosperity.
alone lies the happiness.
Alone lies
Jai Hind. Assembly Stendies.
Good morning. Today is third April. If you want to be strong, learn how to fight alone. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are international news: US, UK, France do not condemn its really attack in Syria at UNSC. Number 7, more judges from Pakistan, SC and HC get 3 letters. National news: CM Kejriwal lost 4.5 kg since arrest on March 21, says AAP. BJP take foreign political parties on election during some sport news. Is it time to fast track Paisa Mayank into the Indian team? Boxing needs body for LA 2028 red. Ashika Advance Saxena SHG. Good morning, everyone. Today topic of my speech is natural resources. The resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in your rivers and lakes, the soil, minerals are the natural resources. Many of their resources, free gifts of nature, can be used directly. In some cases, tool and technology may be needed to use in natural resources in the best possible way. Natural resources can be broadly into renewable and non-renewable resources. Basically, ये शुरू में SDGs.
Assembly, attention, get ready for national anthem. Start the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विविध हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
It's time for slogan. Take position. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Commanding mission position. Management staff break off. Teaching staff break off. Office staff break off. All credit about done.